This is a thumbnail brushwork, basically how watercolor behaves and works, blends. And let's see, I'm not sure I want to make a tree, so I'm just putting some yellow green, and let's build up a tree from whatever happens on the paper. See, the watercolor entirely is taking advantage of how the paint flows on the water and how it blends. So a little red added can make a shadowy shapes of the tree. A little contour what I'm showing is for the leaves, but earlier I didn't show that also. So these are small tiny leaves, and see, the whole thing with a sharp edge sometimes doesn't look good, so some fused edges at the corner. This looks like a drooping vines, drooping foliage. But if I add some trunks down there, it will look like a tree. We have tropical trees which actually have a vertical trunk, and the foliage goes around drooping on all sides. This brush is called, as they call, rigger. I don't know why it is called rigger, but is popularly used everywhere to paint details or free kind of strokes. So for the tree trunks and small branches, this is the best thing available. Any dark mass comes next to the light mass, defines a shadow, and defines, obviously the light gets defined. This is, I'm using the reverse side of my thumb just to create little highlight and branches. The ground will define, okay, now it's not a hanging tree, it's grounded tree. Fine. But still we are not sure how tall is the tree. What shall we do? Something to give it a scale, maybe. One dot and one larger stroke down there, and two tiny lines, and somebody else next to him. Again, a little different kind of posture. So in watercolor, you don't have to draw the figures in the sense head and hand and everything. Just little tiny strokes can actually define a figure. It's the viewer who decides, okay, it's a figure, and we say this is a figure. So these figures are basically, they are defining the height of the tree, give a scale to the whole thing.